If your concrete floor has control joints that are cracking, crumbling, or collecting debris, it's not just a sign of cosmetic issue, it's a sign your concrete is at risk. In this video, I'll walk you through what control joint restoration is, why it matters, and how we restore joints to extend the life of your floor. I'm Tom, President of Customcrete Industrial Services. Joint deterioration is one of the most common and costly problems we see, but it's also one of the easiest to prevent if addressed early. Joint restoration is the process of repairing and refilling the expansion joints or control joints in your concrete slab. Over time, these joints can break down, whether from forklift traffic, moisture intrusion, or simple wear and tear. When that happens, the edges of the joint become exposed and unsupported, which leads to cracking, spalling, and long-term damage. Joints are designed to control movement in your concrete, almost like shock absorbers. When they fail, that stress goes straight into the slab, which can cause structural issues and safety hazards. Restoring your joints protects the floor from cracking, helps keep moisture out, and extends the lifespan of the entire flooring system. Joint restoration is ideal for any facility with damaged or worn joints, especially in manufacturing, food processing, distribution centers, or automotive centers. If you're seeing cracks along joints, chipping edges, or exposed gaps, you're a candidate for this service. It's not necessary if your slab is being replaced entirely or if you're installing a seamless epoxy system that eliminates the joints altogether. The best time to restore your joints is before the damage spreads. If you're planning a new coating, experiencing water intrusion, or just want to avoid future repairs, now is the time to act. Our team inspects the joints, removes loose or failed material, cleans the edges, and fills the joint with high-performance flexible filler. Depending on the traffic and environment, we select materials designed to flex, protect, and last. The result is a clean, stable joint that performs under pressure. Don't wait for a minor joint damage to turn into major slab failure. Reach out for a joint restoration quote today, and let's protect your concrete from the ground up.